The universe of digital forms of money has been fruitful in laying down a good foundation for itself on the strong ground of usefulness and security. Precisely here arises the commitment of the Winklink stage as being worldview. In light of Tron environment, Winklink has furnished clients overall with complete profit arrangements through its Tron-based TRC20 local token with the blockchain space, called Win. The following is the definite information for Winklink cost expectation. Not just spotlight on the lightning speed connected exchanges. However, Winklink has likewise completely incorporated profits with the blockchain-based gaming stage space, giving solid, unusual, and undeniable cycles, in this manner creating a strange encounter for clients. Winklink has a hearty group of programming specialists who guarantee that the whole implanted cost-profit framework works immaculately, and that the profit interfaces the off-chain world with savvy contracts, be it information, occasions, or installment frameworks. The local Wink coin as a digital money plays had a prevalent impact in working with the installment of expenses and made buying monetary standards on gaming and betting stages a little glimpse of heaven. Winklink's inserted cost-profit framework offers steady and dependable value feeds to DeFi building designers. There is not really any genuine use case that is left immaculate by Winklink. Be it certifiable information on sports or climate, gaming or betting, advance or security, Winklink has been there everlastingly to give these profits arrangements. Varying from most existing profits, Winklink is a decentralized profit organization, which offers safer types of assistance and dependable information than the ordinary ones. The material gave on this site is to data inspirations just and ought not be viewed as speculation, examination, or venture exhortation. The whole structure of Winklink as a decentralized profit network makes a trustless and secure method conceivable to execute savvy contracts, whether securities, loan fee subsidiaries, protection portion, or stockroom information. All require thorough utilization of information and admittance to APIs announcing market costs. Precisely here, Winklink has been pivotal in the trading of information and safely among all through its sealed profits, be it information, occasions, or installment frameworks. The local Wink coin as a digital money plays had a dominating impact in working with the installment of charges. Winklink is an organization devoted to building an open-source convention for decentralized profits and advancing their utilization in blockchain biological systems. Winklink, the development drives. Notwithstanding being an original Wink digital currency sent off as of late, Winklink achievement has resonated through the DeFi rooftop expansively. One of the significant forward leaps was made when the pioneer behind NFT asset, Justin Sun, declared the thrilling fresh insight about Winklink, the principal extensive profit project sent off on Tron organization, marking a partnership with Just NFT asset. The organization will set the crypto market ablaze as it will additionally broaden use cases in the NFT circle. The union denotes the presentation of Winklink's token in the domain of NFT. This has a tremendous effect on the yearly rate yields of Win token. Going by the specialized investigation, Wink cost has had a notable journey all through, which could be the principal justification for its prevalence. Winklink's cost today weights around $0. A Winklink market cap of $392,479,140 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $338,858,170 with an ongoing circling supply of 961,737,300,000 Win. The ongoing all-time high is $0. Win USD cost estimate is $0. Winklink is up 2.03% as of now. The Wink coin helps in the general all-out supply. If it's not too much trouble, note that this expectation and each and every other forecast is just the idea of some market master investigators. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is 147. Our series of monetary consultants have the accompanying monetary exhortation and cost expectations of Win token to make. In light of our Winklink cost forecast and most recent news, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost for 2026 is $0. With a 5-year venture, the income is normal to be around plus 401.59%, making it a productive speculation choice. In light of our Winklink cost framework and verifiable information, the success tokens might enroll a critical cost ascend in the following 1 year. The most exorbitant cost of Winklink is anticipated to be around $0 the current year's over. Winklink is a speculation choice in view of our gauge. In light of our Winklink estimate and specialized examination, the cost may be around 1 cent toward the finish of 2025. This is around 28x from the ongoing cost. WINK Link forecasts. Toward the beginning of February 2022, the cost of WINK Link will be around $0. A greatest cost of $0. The base cost of $0 February 2022. The typical cost of WIN tokens during the current year is $0. WINK Link estimate toward the finish of December 2022 $0. In view of ongoing WINK cost expectation and WINK Link conjecture, in 2022, the success coin cost is anticipated to arrive at any rate value level of $0 the time being. The cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, a typical cost of $0. Subsequently, it is prudent to purchase WIN tokens to procure extensive benefit from here on out. Defeating all obstacles, WINK Link is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition, drawing in a significant financial backer local area outperforming all assumptions. We should investigate the drawn-out cryptographic money conjecture, which makes WINK Link one of the major computerized resources. The coursing supply presently is 961,737,300,000 WIN. In the event that the WINK cryptographic money market turns great, the WINK Link cost is set to break all boundaries and perform abundantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Violating all constraints throughout the following year would most likely show a positive cost change for its financial backers. With the assistance of WINK coin, the all-out supply can be known, as indicated by our WINK Link cost expectation. In the event that they keep up with their speed and market capitalization, their undertakings zeroing in on schooling might drive the success cost to a base degree of $0. Allow us to actually take a look at that with the underneath referenced information. WINK Link value expectation 2022. As indicated by WINK Link cost expectation 2022, and taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the cryptographic money market cap, WINK cost is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the end cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $0 the next year. Here, great return can be anticipated, supported by strong innovation. The WINK cost may effectively arrive at the base value level of $0 the years over 2022. WINK Link value forecast 2023. WINK Link has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the WINK Link with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $0. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the normal cost might try and see a bullish cost change toward the finish of 2023. WINK Link value expectation 2024. There are many WINK Link cost figures proceeding at the cost of WINK Link, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on. There are WINK Link value expectations its base value level might stretch around $0 end, which will demonstrate the meaning of speculation counsel in WINK Link. Subsequently, in such a way WINK Link cost gauge framework will be helpful. On the off chance